Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Mitch. We have here is a 19-foot Sea Swirl Spider ski boat trailer. And sorry about that in the background, air compressor. What we're doing today is we are changing out the bunks, replacing it with new carpet, new wood, and it's gonna be a quick short video, so check this out. So I've had this boat now, well, the boat's down in the water, but I've had the boat and trailer now for 4 years. It's a 1993 Sea Swirl Spider, and this is a trailer by Trailrite Incorporated by Johnson Marine, which used to be in Ontario, California. No longer not there. So the wood is the original wood that was on the trailer, and this is a pressure treated pine, which it came with, and basically the carriage bolts, which are 3/16 by 3-inch carriage bolts, have rusted, and the wood inside where the carriage bolt sat is pretty much rotted out. If you look here on the actual piece of wood, you guys can see that I had to drill around it with a wood bit, a wood spaded bit, to actually make the hole around it bigger, and actually go in there with some vice grips and undo the nut. However, what I've done already, so I take those off, went to Lowe's, got new carriage bolts, new nuts, and they're the hex nuts with the teeth on the bottom that actually bite down in the wood. And so what I've already done, you guys can see, I've already installed one piece of wood. Now these are 2x6s by 2-inch. And same size as the other one. This is redwood, which is another hardwood, which is really impermeable to water. And as you guys know, as a trailer, the thing doesn't sit in water for long. It's in there for about maybe 5 minutes max till the boat comes out and then takes off. But the carpet stays wet for a little while. However, it's pressure treated, weatherproofed. I didn't do any extra stuff to it. I didn't spray it down. I didn't put lacquer on it. I just left it as is because it took it off the shelf. These are 10 feet bungs, already measured out just like the other one, so I had no cutting to do. All I did was I dropped in I pre-drilled it, and then I had to sit. Hold on one second. Let me turn this damn thing off. Yeah, all because I have a leak in the damn thing. It goes off every so often. So all I did was I took the spaded bit and went down about 1/2 inch so that the carriage bolt head actually sits recessed in there. The last thing you want to do is have that head stick up on the carpet, and of course your boat goes on it and jacks up the hole. Which was one reason why I knew I had to change this out, is because the carpet was rotted already. You could already see the wood underneath, plus the wood was getting all rotted as well. So I already laid out one piece of carpet, and what I did up here in the front is I have some 3M spray adhesive, which is this stuff. This is the high strength 90 contact adhesive, which is industrial strength. Now you can go with the 70, and at Lowe's there was either the 90 or the 70. And I figured I can get the 90 because there's a lot of other projects I end up doing, and especially around the house, and that stuff holds pretty damn good. Not super glue, spray adhesive. So the spray adhesive, what it ends up doing is you have to put your bunks in, you have to tie them down. Number one. Number two, you start up in the front like this, you spray it down so it has a place for it to hold, just like I did over here, and it's not going anywhere. Now what I can do is I'm going to unroll it and spray about a 2-foot section, and unroll on top of that, spray again, because this stuff's going to dry pretty fast. So I'm going to set my phone up. Let's see if you can see it. Somehow I'm going to, because I'm a photographer genius. Oh, crappers. All right, here's a WD-40 can. All right, if you guys have any questions about the stuff that I'm doing, go ahead and send me a message here, And I'm gonna go ahead and do a small section for you guys and let you see how the process works. This stuff literally comes out like spider webs. It's almost as if Spider-Man was shooting his web blasters at this, as my son would say. So I'm doing a 12-inch section, a 1-foot section, little by little. And I'm just pressing it down with my hand so it adheres, and the carpet's not going to move. Now I can go back with my staple gun, my pneumatic staple gun, not the handheld one. You need the extra force to get it into the wood. Okay, so as you guys can see, you just spray it, press it down, and you want to go all the way to the whole length. You're gonna have, let's see how long this stuff is. You're gonna have 3 or 4 excess feet on the back, and really you can use this. So this is the weather resistant 100% PET polyester high quality durable backing, minimum water retention, 6.1 ounce per square yard, pile height 5 and 32 seconds. So this will cover 2x4 bunk size and a 2x6, and I have the 2x6 with a little extra opening on the bottom, just like this when you wrap it around. Do not put staples on the top. Why? Because that's where your boat rests. Hello. You want to spray adhesive on the bunks, and then once it's tight, then you staple from the top and you work your way back. Staple the sides of the board and go underneath and staple it again. So yeah, you go through a lot of staples, and I'm probably gonna have to make another trip to Lowe's. 116-degree weather right now in Havasu, Arizona. Yeah, pretty freaking hot, but whatever. Stuff's got to get done. Where's my boat, you say? Oh, it's down in the water in a slip, which we were able to get at the last minute. Got an extra day. $149 for 4 days. And then they called me, hey, you want to slip in there early? I said, hey, no problem. They said, it's all yours. I said, no, so it's a half-day charge, right? Since I'm coming in at like 4, they're like, no, it's a full day. All right. It is what it is. Thank you very much on Labor Day weekend. Trump rally 2020. It's coming. Supporting a good man. Oh, political. Whatever. If you got something that you want, that you love, and you want to support it, then rock the crap out of it. Because you know what? Who cares? That's what you believe in. Then do it. All right, enough talking. Let's continue. So yeah, we came up here a couple days early because I had to get boat stuff done. What did I have to do to the boat? Well, the trailer needed new rollers in the front, which I'll show you guys in a minute. I should have done a video on that, but it's pretty easy. A blind monkey could have changed those out. This stuff's easy. The thing is, you got to be careful is, you know, getting it on the carpet, but you can wash it off. Not a big deal. Spray adhesive, guys, comes out like the web blasters. Sticky, very sticky. Just be careful when rolling it out. It's already got some on the carpet. The wrong side of the carpet. That's all right. See, I got some right here, but I can take that off with a goof off, so it's not a big deal. But I am kind of anal at my work. I'm not gonna change this out just because I messed up a little bit. No way. It's hot out here, folks. Hell yeah. Now, can you use spray adhesive on the sides? Yeah, sure you can. But you're going to be stapling it, so just as good. You're going to be stapling it. So I'm going to finish this off down here in the end. Okay, so now I'm at the end. So I've got excess here, probably a good 24 inches worth. The last part here is I'm going to go ahead and spray adhesive down here. I'm going to take that coat off, of course, spray adhesive, and then wrap it and call it good, and then come back and staple it. So I'll go ahead. Oh, shit. Woo. I'll go ahead and show that to you guys real quick, and then post up some still video or photos or whatever. I'm still getting used to the YouTube editing. If you guys have a good movie editor that you can tell me about, please, that would help. All right, so I am going to do this here real quick, come back around, press it down. I'll end up cutting my excess and getting the part that I want for for cutting it. And then the other side here as well, I'm gonna do the same one over here. So let's stick the phone down. You know, YouTube is one of those things made for for amateurs, which I am, and so therefore you pretty much get what you get. What the hell? I got a wire that I have no idea where it came out of. It's probably, Jesus. I got a bastard wire just floating around. I think it's for my license plate light. Well, another thing to fix. Anyways, guys, that's it. That's a Bunk carpet trailer replacement and repair. You got any questions? Go ahead and send me a message. I'll let you know where I got the stuff. I'll put a link in the description. You guys can check it out from where I got it from. Like, subscribe, do all that stuff. Help the channel out. I love it. Love you guys. Thanks. It's Mitch. Peace.